That's my roots. He's an American alligator. I bet he doesn't care though. I bet he's like, fine, I want to live by myself. It's like I'm walking in a jungle. Oh, welcome to the Outback. Good morning. I am gonna today I'm going to take you to the zoo. So yeah, so first things first is I wake up obviously and I get ready. So we're gonna do a quick change. Perfect. Next, today am going to put some sunscreen on my face and I'm going to put some mascara on the Cetaphil. I try to do this every morning, but you know, I'm living life, so I try to do it every morning because I know how good it is for you. But I'm gonna be honest and tell you that it doesn't always happen. I don't have a skin routine. I normally don't do mascara unless I'm going somewhere. No, honestly, even if I go to the zoo, I don't always do mascara. And today, I feel like wearing it. I don't really think it matters. I'm not out here trying to impress. And even if I was trying to impress, I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter what I look like. Alright. Okay, what do we think? Think it looks great. And then my he would love first person, or what would Jesus do? He would love first. Always wear my do everything in love, which is 2 Corinthians 14:16, pretty sure. Or yeah, so now I'm going to go brush my teeth and then I'm gonna go pack my book bag. So wait, let's do this. All right, and the last thing that I do is I just make sure I'm all packed and ready to go for the zoo. So that I need to bring sunscreen, a book, portable charger, and my wallet. I do have all of that, and my trusty dusty bag. Something really cool about the zoo and me is that every time I go to the zoo, I pick out a pin. So the Stitch one doesn't count, but every other pin I've gotten from when I go to the zoo, and it's whatever animal that really stood out to me that day. I'm gonna fill up my water bottle, I'm gonna put my lunch in my bag, and I'm just gonna get a small breakfast, but I'm not gonna record any of that. So the next time you'll see me is when I'm walking to the bus. Alright, so today going to the zoo is going to be a bit different than what I usually do going to the zoo. So normally when I go to the zoo, I just have to take one bus to go to Central Station in Brisbane, and then from Central Station I could go all the way to the train station that is near the zoo. Only problem is the lines are closed because they're doing like service updates and stuff. I have to take 3 buses and then a train. So I still get to take the train, but I have to take a bus to the closest train station that isn't closed. It's gonna take me a total of about 3 hours. I think it's like 2 hours and 26 minutes or something like that to get to the zoo. It is 7:09 right now. It says I'm gonna get there at around 9:58. Let's go. So here's the only hard thing that I find about buses is that buses can normally be late. Trains tend to run on time. Should it be a problem? No. But it might be, and it has been a problem in the past. So I'm gonna make it to the zoo. It just might not be at 9:53. Let's hope though. I made it. Alright, so I'm here. I got here in the same time that it said I was going to on the app, so praise God. So now that I'm at the zoo, I am just going to look around. Today I heard that the Irwins are actually going to be at the Crocaseum and they're going to do the crocodile show, so today I am going to check out that. And yeah, so just I'll bring you along with me, show you what I'm going to see. First, I'm going to take a look at these otters, but today, because it is school holidays, it is very, very busy here at the zoo, so I don't really love when it's busy, but I also know how to handle everything because I've been here so many times that I know where to go, know where the busy spots are, know where the not busy spots are, know where I could see a good show, all of that. So yeah, anyway, so bring you along.
American alligators! Go over here! Yeah!
I think one of the funniest things you have to watch out for here at the zoo are the bearded dragons. They're just like on the ground and they just run. Like I almost literally just stepped on a bearded dragon not too long ago. These are saltwater crocodiles. They are like the biggest crocodiles. They are way bigger than an alligator. An alligator is like a puppy compared to these things. They're like big dogs. Literally, it's almost like this one looks like it did. Literally this one I didn't even know was there. There's a lizard on one of the crocodiles. I bet it doesn't feel it though. That's so crazy. So on camera, it doesn't look like this crocodile is big, but I would say that crocodile is at least 7 feet long. At least. Sign says that he was deemed, I was wrong. He's 13 feet long and 181 pounds. Why would I want to get close to any crocodile? And he has to live by himself because he's so dangerous. I bet he doesn't care though. I bet he's like, fine, I want to live by myself. Let me. It's like I'm walking in a jungle. So that is Bosco. Looks like that is Aussie. And this is Akko and Cassie. So this one has a baby with it. So obviously that's the mom and the baby's holding on right there. So cute. Surprisingly, I thought it would be a lot busier here today. Like, I thought there was gonna just be loads of people, but I guess I didn't realize how big the zoo is and that even though there was a lot of people at the gate and stuff, going through the kangaroos and stuff, there's not that many people. Yeah, it's letting me get pretty close. Oh, but there you go. Yeah. These birds are so funny. These are the emus. Oh, hey girl. Actually, at the Australia Zoo, they have chickens. And the chickens and the emus are together. The reason they are together is because when the emus are chicks, the chickens show them how to be a bird. And so they show them how to eat, they show them how to, you know, do all the things. And so that's why they have chickens with the emus.
Today you'll probably see it later in the stage during March. Then they kind of need to give it another mechanical go, which is what they do with their teeth. It does help to have the enzymes from the stomach involved as well. And so, yeah, if you watch their necks long enough, you in fact see all those muscles contract and send a glob up and down their throat as they finesse all of the food they've already eaten. So that does also mean that they're very efficient with their digestion compared to our rhinos and our zebras. So
it's so busy today. I'm gonna go to the Crocuseum like an hour before the show. That's my roots. He's an American alligator. He's something kind of cute, low key. Anyway, so I'm gonna go to the Crocuseum pretty early just because I do want a good seat. My gosh, they literally look fake. So fake. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go there and I'm going to eat the rest of my lunch while I wait for the crocodile show to commence.
Kilograms in weight. They have 80 to 120 razor sharp teeth in their mouth, which
he's a goer. He's an absolute goer. And his name is Scrapper. Okay, I want to ask you guys something. Does anyone old enough to remember the Crocodile Hunters series? Yes? Now, do you remember a crocodile named Agro? Yeah, Agro was probably the most well-known crocodile because he was just the most volatile, hard-hitting croc ever. And he still is. He's an old boy now, but he still gives you a good run for your money, that's for sure. But his son is Scrapper. And I tell you what, he has got all of those Agro genes in. Scrapper can feel that. He can feel the vibrations. From any splash, any footstep, he knows exactly what's going on and it gets him keen to put on a strike. He feels these vibrations, he gets the power from his tail and he's thinking about it. Hey good boy, there's a strike and a solid one too. Good boy Scrapper, give it up for him, hey? What a legend. Yeah, he's definitely keen. Here Scrappy, here you go big boy, here you go. Now Scrapper at the moment is looking at my legs, which is a little bit nerve-wracking. Oh, he missed it. Is he? There we go. Give it up for Scrapper. Hey, what a legend. And they'll use this tail walk method from the time they hatch to come up vertically and grab little frogs, little insects, and what have you. Now let's see what he does here. Angles his head up. Oh, good job, Scrapper. Give it up for him. Hey, what a legend. A little rat burger for you. Oh, look how keen he is. He loves a rat burger. Fresh from the Crikey Cafe. I'm kidding. We call them chicken burgers. It's great when my family aren't here, because whenever I make that joke, they always go, Robert, don't say that. I can say whatever I want on this show. Hey, good boy. Here you go. Have a little vitamin. Yeah, good boy. Alrighty, good boy, Scrap. You see that tail there? That big long tail? It's brilliant when he's getting around in the water, but once he's out on land, that's just a big old handbrake for him. Because it's big, it's heavy, it's dense muscle. Let's see, you want this bit? He's not looking at the food, is he? I'm just gonna... Hey Nathan, can you grab that for me? I'll give you help here. No. I just undershot it. Let me try that again. Here, Scrapper. You want to get back in your water? Yep, here he does. Let's see if Scrapper's keen to get another strike. I want to give him this little piece of food. But you notice there how Scrapper is not really He's not really striking for food. He's striking for the fun of it. He's striking because he absolutely loves it. And he's getting to show you where a croc is fast. There it is. Is he gonna get it? Is he gonna get it? It's right under your head, mate. I can't help you there. I just can't help you. Oh. Alright, well this is proving my point. Crocodiles don't see human beings as food. You know, they're not out to get us. They're a beautiful animal that's been on the planet for so long. And our job is simple. All we need to do is to stay safe around crocs. And he's got it! He focuses in on the vibration. He feels that animal's footsteps. He's keyed in and he's ready. Boom, he puts on that strike, he grabs it, and he's using 3,000 pounds per square inch of closing pressure right there, clamping down on that meat. And now he realises, hang on a minute, this thing's still got a bit of go in it. It's still got a bit of fight in it. So now he's going to have to, ooh, he let it go. Uh-oh. But luckily, this animal is really dumb, so it comes back again. There, he's got a good grip on it now. 60 teeth in that head. He clamps down upon it, and the first instinct is to lug it. See how his eyes are actually back in his skull. Oh, that was a death roll. How good was that? Whew, that's awesome. A death roll is used to overpower an animal and disorient it. Gets it off its feet very quickly. Might not look like it. Another one. Another death roll. But the amount of power he's pushing against me is amazing. I'm pulling with all my might, and he's 10 times stronger than I am. He's broken mine. Hey, he's weak. And another one. Alright, let's bring him up there. Let's give him his lunch. He's feeling good. There you go, give it up for scratch. Right after I told everyone how beautiful you are, you try and eat me. That's alright. I love you anyway. Well, thank you very much for coming out here, for spending some time with our crocodiles. Hopefully you come away with a better understanding of what they're all about. They're not these mindless killing machines, not at all. They're smart, they're beautiful, and they are in need of our protection.
So that finishes my day here at Australia Zoo. I had such a good day, and I get to be with this little wombat. Actually, I went to the wombats and I didn't see any. So next time I come, I'm gonna make sure I see a couple wombats. Yeah, but that's it. I had such a good day. That Croc show was amazing, way better than the first one I went to. And I've gotten to see a lot more things. And I honestly didn't even know that whole crocodile thing that I showed in the middle of the video was even there. So yeah, gonna head on the bus here soon in a bit. And yeah, I'll show you the pin that I collected. So this one is the one I got today, the crocodile. But other than that, I hope you had an amazing time coming into the zoo with me. And next time, maybe if you would like, I can do a vlog about all the things that I would recommend seeing at the zoo. Okay, I hope you have a great day. Remember, just love you and I love you.